Rossella's motto when it comes to making wine is quality, not quantity. And depending on the variety, Rossella matures her organic wine for between 8 months and 7 years in wooden barrels before bottling.
Ah! È bello qua, eh? This is so cute. That's the word I like to use right now. It's cute. It's all small.
In this room we have the Vinsanto. And the Vinsanto is especially what you said, what we say. Vinsanto is a small production, is something very small.
But then it's just the best. So this is exactly like me. Small, petite, but you know, good quality man. A man who knows what he's doing.
Yes, perfect. So I hope that you will come to work with me. You're perfect.
Rossella, I am all yours.
He's a perfect guy.
Whatever you want me to do, I'll do it.
And especially if it means drinking delicious wine.
So now you have to try to do batonnage to this wine.
So you want me to batonnage you?
No, you have to batonnage the wine.
Ah, we batonnage. What is batonnage? I don't know what batonnage means.
You have to take that one, and you have
What's that one? This thing
baton.
here?
That is the baton.
Ah, kinky.
Yeah. Oh, no.
What do we need to do? What do I need to do?
You have to reopen this, and you move the wine inside. You have to move.
Okay. Sorry, I was thinking
we have
about
a look.
something else.
We try to see.
Oh, so this goes in there?
Yes. You
Okay.
go. And then move, please.
Inside?
Inside.
All right.
And you turn around.
And I turn around?
Okay.
Like this? More?
More, very strong.
So this is called batonnage?
Yes, this is batonnage.
So what we... 1
I think
second. Why are we doing this? Why am I doing this?
because there are some excellent components of the wine still lying on the bottom of the barrel and moving.
So it's like shaking a bottle, so then all the elements and stuff.
Rossella tells me in natural winemaking, this part of the process is very important to infusing the flavor and maturing the wine.
You know what this is remind me? When I do the bath for my wife and she puts all those minerals and I batonnage her bath, that's exactly the same thing.
Okay. So stop now, it's enough.
Okay.
It's enough. Quite good. You have to take off this and put down there.
And we put
again.
it down there. Okay, Rossella, I want to ask you something. At what point are we going to do some drinking? I'm not looking for a work.
No?
I'm looking for the drink. Let's do this.
Okay, we go.
Where is the drinking?
We go and see.
Come on, I'll follow you. I'll follow you. And the dog. What's his name is?
It's Chucky.
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 Chucky, come on, let's drink some wine. Come on, Chucky.
Finally, Rossella gives me a well-earned break so I can enjoy the fruits of our labors.
Okay, so which wine are we going to go first?
First, we begin with this one.
Why?
This is the only Sangiovese.
So this is the Vino Rosso Sangiovese.
Sì, fruity, and just very able to go with the good food, simple. So.
The first wine is made with Sangiovese grape, Italy's most widely grown.
So what am I looking for this wine? Tell me.
Freshness.
Freshness.
What is important is to taste the grape. And the expression is new, fresh fruits.
Ah.
Yes.
I tasted the grape.
The grape.
Beautiful. Okay, so what's the difference between this one, the Sangiovese Vino Rosso, and this one?
The Carmignano is the main wine.
Carmignano.
This is Rossella's famous red, named after the surrounding area.
This is 2018. That was an excellent vintage with the structure, but also with elegance.
I can see that this one is darker.
Darker, yes.
This is going to be a
but
powerful
not so
wine.
High, much the other one, but not so much.
And I can see why.
Oh, yes, I prefer this. This is more expensive, right?
Yes.
Ah, okay. And then we go?
With Vinsanto, the
That's
dessert
good,
wine.
yeah. This is a dessert wine. This is like sherry.
But it is also very good with cheeses.
Dessert wines are typically sweeter with a higher alcohol content.
You know what I do with this as well sometimes? When I make a rambaba, I use this one to wet it. Or when you do the English trifle to soak up the sponge. Buonissimo. Questo è buono. Grazie.
Thank you to you.